Good morning, friends. Today my presentation topic is lipid profile or cholesterol. What is lipid profile? Lipid profile is a combination of tests conducted together to check the any risk of coronary heart disease and preventive measure to check any risk depending on factor like in the eating, diet, stress, exercise and lifestyle related. What is lipids? Lipids are the fat and fatty substance which are stored in the blood and the tissues are used by the body as a source of energy. The lipids are help the normal functioning of body, but when the lipids level are increased in the body, then cause are the disease created the disease like the stroke, coronary heart disease and the atherosclerosis. The test, lipid profile test are included in the total 4 tests. First, total cholesterol. Second are the HDL, high density lipoprotein, and third are the LDL low density lipoprotein, and fourth are the triglyceride. First, total cholesterol is normal value of the less than 200 milligram per deciliter. Second, LDL is the high density lipoprotein is more than 40 to 60 milligram per deciliter, and third are then the LDL is the 70 to 130 milligram per deciliter, and for triglyceride are in the 10 to 50 milligram per deciliter. The total cholesterol means the fat total amount of cholesterol in the blood, total amount of blood in the cholesterol of the blood. The cholesterol are fats, and fats when are in the deposit in the arteries, the fats are highly increased in the LDL, and when the cholesterol are produced, the buildup of the plaque, and plaque are deposit in arteries and cause the narrowing of the arteries and produce the high blood pressure. The low density lipoprotein are increased in the low density lipoprotein are produced in the increase the level of high cholesterol. And third are in the high density lipoprotein are the decrease the level of LDL level. And triglyceride is the when we eat the food and then energy convert the calories, and we does not eat into the triglyceride, but when are the eat food and excessive sweet eat to then increase the triglyceride level. Risk factor of the cholesterol. The cholesterol and when first are the smoking, being overweight, unhealthy diet, and the person are unhealthy and inactive and not done exercise, and having a person family history of the premature heart disease, pre-existing heart disease, and having diabetic and pre-diabetic. Why is done the lipid profile test? When the person are suffering from then the some type of then the symptoms. First type of then the symptoms are the dyslipidemia हो जाएगा, headache and jaw pain, next toothache, heartburn, necrosis, nausea, vomiting, and some the general epigastric discomfort, and the pain and the squeezing sensation of the chest, sweating, and arm pain. Arm pain most commonly in the left arm. Next, preparation needed for the lipid profile test are the requiring the fasting. Fasting sample needed to be are collected after a minimum 12 to 14 hour overnight fasting status, and precautions before the test should be done. Not eat high fat food and not consume the alcohol. Next, the cholesterol are measured in the triglyceride, LDL and HDL are totals are called in the serum cholesterol या total blood cholesterol. LDL low density lipoprotein and VLDL very low density lipoprotein. Low density lipoprotein it is means has less triglyceride and high concentration of cholesterol. The main component of then the LDL is are in the cholesterol 26% हो गया, triglyceride 10%, proteins are the 25%, and the other fats are the 10%. But VLDL is are the created in the liver and into the carry the triglyceride throughout the body. The main component of VLDL is the cholesterol are in the 10%, and triglyceride are the 70%, protein are 10%, and the other fats are 10%. Next, high density lipoprotein. High density lipoprotein is are also called the very good cholesterol, because the LDL are decrease the level of the LDL. HDL decrease the level of LDL, and the in the body, when the fats, when the cholesterol is a fat, cholesterol are, when increase the concentration of cholesterol fat in the body, when the HDL are receive the cholesterol or fats and to carry to reach the liver, and liver are undigested, and the fats are convert into the bile and other substance and release the body. Next, homeopathic treatment of lipids. Homeopathic treatment of cholesterol. Cholesterol first are the curcuma longa. Curcuma longa is are the remedy. Common name of the remedy is are the turmeric, and it is are the taken from the either in the mother tincture or medicine. This remedy is are the great the anti-atherosclerotic function, and it which means it has ability to protect and prevent the atrial wall from hardening and narrowing. Next, allium chipa. Allium chipa is made up from the garlic, and especially it is useful for people who suffer from high cholesterol level and who eat a lot of meat, and person having are the some types of the stomach related issue like the constipation, erections, and the constantly after eating disorder. And the allium sativum is the vasodilatory properties which reduce. Allium cepa is the reduce the high blood pressure and high cholesterol level. Next are the cholesterol. Cholesterol is in the suffering from a liver. Person are suffering from the liver or gallbladder disease along having a high cholesterol level in the body, and the severe pain. Person who suffer from the severe epigastric pain, severe acidity, and not appetite, and the feels as the nausea often. And aura metallicum. Aura metallicum is the made up of the gold, and the person are irregular pulse and violent palpitation, especially at nights. These mental symptoms, the patient that hold is significant slacking, has are a depressed feeling, getting angry, and slightest contradiction, and throughout the common suicides. Next are calcarea carb. Calcarea carb is the natural remedy for reducing the cholesterol in the fats and the body, and the unusual and excessive craving of calcarea carb is are the boiled egg, and the excessive sensitiveness of cold air, and the continuous perspiration on the scalp is the indicated symptoms of calcarea carb in case of then the high cholesterol level. Next, Brita carb. Brita carb is the natural medicines in for elderly people who are suffer from the high cholesterol level, and the systolic pressure is always higher and on always higher side in these patients, and heaviness and vertigo consequent to reduce the blood supply to brain, and can be tractable with this remedy. And next are the Nux vomica. Nux vomica is the best remedy for high cholesterol level in the patient, but person are excessive angry and excessive angry and chronic obstinate excessive angry and very irritable person, and the person is suffered from obstinate constipation. That's all. Thank you.